Hi, I'm still at the southern part of Israel, which is completely desert with less than 100 millimeters of rain annually. And as you can see, this settlement is beautiful. It's green, and I'm going to show you very soon the agriculture here, which is amazing. Still, in Sde Boker, in the middle of the desert around me, you can see big, very big orchards all around me, and everything is beautiful. That only shows that when you want, you can do magics. And it is true for Israel as much as it is true for my friends in Africa, in Asia, and other places. And by the way, everything here is either export quality or export, or is sold at the price of export. So this is where and how it should be. Everything in the middle of the desert. Beautiful. Bye bye.